everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. If you've never seen these big old cheeks before, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For today's video, I have my Boxycharm for the month of January. I know you guys can throw rocks at me. I am late, definitely late, but I'm really excited to share this month's box with you because I think this one is going to be nice. I've seen some spoilers, and you know, we get variations of this box. If you don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. It's $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, no teeny-weeny samples. I tell this all the time. Hit that link down in the description box if you want to sign up and have your own Boxycharm and get that every month. So you don't have to, you know, try and go and find new stuff. Boxycharm goes and does that for you. So this month's box, let's open it, shall we? If you've already gotten your box, let me know down below if you loved it, what variation you've got, if you've got some cool stuff. So here's my box, and I'm definitely going to go ahead and open it and share with you what I got. I already see some big brands in here. Woo. So since it's so big and in my face, I'm going to pull out the first thing here, and that's this Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. Now, we got this Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette from Boxycharm before. So, ooh. Oh. Look at that. Packaging is gorgeous. Now, the color's going to work for me. These colors might be a little... Ooh, sorry for the glare. These are the colors in this actual palette, and they might be a little too light for me. I could probably get away with some of the golds. Yeah, a lot of the golds could probably... You probably can't even see them. I'll swatch them so you can try to see them. They're like shimmery shades, so I could probably get away with some of the golds in here. They've got one matte and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers, so I could probably get away with some of the golds and the lighter shimmers in terms of highlights in here, but this definitely can't work for like an everyday thing for me, so I'll put that one aside and move on to the other beautiful things that are in this box. Oh yay, we have something from Bite Beauty. This is a AMUSE BOUCHE. I'm going to butcher that, so let me know down in the comment section how to say that, or you can even like send me a message on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, what is you doing? Go ahead and hit that down in the description box. I have my link to my Instagram down there. I post all kinds of awesome stuff. Stuff is always in my stories, so check it out. So we've got a lipstick from Bite Beauty, AMUSE BOUCHE or BOUCHE lipstick, and the color that they got me is Gingersnap. Oh, that's some nice packaging. Let's see what this color looks like. Did you guys get this color as well? If you have your Boxycharm, let me know below. Gingersnap. Oh, perfect. It's like they know me. This color right here, this is more like a coral, probably. Yeah, that's pretty. It's right here. It's like a nice, really pretty coral right there. Perfect for the springtime. Matches the lip I have on right now. Nice. Definitely going to be using that. Also, the lip that I have on today, I'm going to put that down in the description box. It's by Makeup Forever, one of their liquid lipsticks. Beautiful shade. So that's really pretty. Happy about that. I think coral is the color, the Pantone color of the year as well. So they did a good job with that one. So next up in here, something for the hair. This is a, what is this? Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is by BRIOGEO. I've used one of their deep conditioners before. Very, very lovely brand. So this is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. No silicones, no sulfates, things like that. It's like more of a natural organic type of brand. So definitely interested in that. I've got my hair out today. I put it in a cute little ponytail. I rarely let my hair see the light of day, especially in the cooler months, just so you know I don't have to deal with any breakage or things like that. I'm gonna wipe off this lipstick off of my hand because I feel like I'm gonna get it all over my shirt. I got this top from Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna link it below if you're interested. It's a really pretty flowy off the shoulder top, really cute. Amazon has some really cool stuff. And next in this box, we've got, what is this? It's a STARLOOKS Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. I'm going to open this. And this is one of those that's really secure on here. Boop. Oh, it's like one of those glitter eyeliner pencil things. I'll swatch it, see if we can see it. And we can't. Oh, okay, I have to press it really hard, which is not good. Because I'm not going to press this hard on my eyeball, I'll tell you the truth right now. But yeah, that's it right there. I can't use this. You guys know I'm always upfront and honest with y'all. This is the data out of this box for me. It's too light, number 1. It's too glittery, number 2. And number 3, I can't see it. So it will do absolutely nothing for me. So that's gonna go in the giveaway pile somewhere. I'm probably gonna pass it on to one of my cousins or something who is a bit lighter than me, and then maybe they can use it. And the last, probably the most amazing thing in this box, Boxycharm is trying to make up for the past, I think, what, 3 months that we haven't had boxes that were awesome. We've got TATCHA. Y'all know TATCHA is hella expensive. Y'all know this. So we've got some TATCHA masks. I'm excited. I think, have I ever tried anything from TATCHA? No, because my bank account is not set up like that. So yeah, this is the TATCHA Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and they gave us 2, so we ballin' on that Boxycharm budget, because Boxycharm is $21 a month. So this Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, this is made in Japan, darlings, and it's for normal to dry skin. I have combination acne prone skin, but that don't mean I'm not going to try it. Definitely going to try it. It's the winter month, so my skin is a little bit more on the drier side anyway. So apparently, this is a blend of lightweight rice germ oil derived from nutrient-rich portion of rice. Its high concentration of botanical oils and extracts leaves skin velvety, soft, dewy, and luminous. Y'all know I'm going to try this tonight, right? So if you are on my Instagram stories, then definitely check that out. I'm going to be putting this on tonight, and I will report back and let y'all know how this was. Whew. Oh man. Okay, so let's rate this month's box, shall we? So this is a January 2019 Boxycharm box, and I would definitely say out of a scale of 1 to 10, this box would probably be like a 6. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Definitely for the TATCHA, great. Definitely for the Bite Beauty lipstick, awesome. I can definitely deal with this. This is the Tarte Volume 3 Rainforest, so this, I can deal with that. But like that glittery pencil thing, I can't deal with that. So yeah, and this is a no-go. So yeah, definitely I would rate this box a 6. I'm happy. I'm getting there. Boxycharm is they're trying. They're getting along. They're gonna do a whole lot of stuff, and I'm definitely gonna try to love this right here. This is the BRIOGEO ROSCARO milk for your hair. Definitely gonna be trying that. Hopefully it smells good. Their stuff normally does. And it does. Definitely does. Can I use this on... Oh, I have to use it on clean hair. So when I have my wash day, I'm definitely going to go ahead and use that. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. If you really enjoyed, don't forget to give me a big, huge thumbs up down there. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for passing through. And I'm going to see you in my next video really, really soon. Bye, my loves.